This video is a dealer training video. Please enjoy.
Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. Ever wonder what's silently choking your Zontes 350V's performance? It might just be the dirtiest part you never think about: the air filter. Breathe easy, ride hard. A clean air filter ensures optimal airflow to the engine. Dirty air filters restrict oxygen, leading to sluggish throttle response and reduced power, like trying to sprint with a blocked nose. When airflow is compromised, the ECU compensates by dumping more fuel. That means more trips to the pump and less mileage per liter. The filter traps dust, debris, and insects before they reach the combustion chamber. Neglecting it is like letting sandpaper into your engine. Wear, tear, and costly repairs can follow. Especially on a high-revving single-cylinder like the Zontes 350V, clean air is crucial for crisp acceleration and smooth cruising. Think of it as the lungs of your bike. Keep them clean, and your ride sings. A clogged filter can throw off sensor readings, leading to poor fuel-air mix and even error codes. Regular changes help the ECU do its job, without second-guessing. Stick to the service intervals, and your Zontes will reward you with years of reliable performance. It's a small job with big returns. So this video shows you how. So you can order the filter from your Zontes dealer and do it yourself, saving on those costly labor hours that dealers charge. Zontes shows you how. With a step-by-step guide. Can you name me any other bike manufacturer that helps its owners? I thought so. Until next time. While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, Mad Mick. I have slowed the video down so the procedure instructions can be read easily. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss new content. Take a look at my channel where you will find all the Zontes models, with either English, Spanish, Chinese, French and Arabic subtitled videos.